Hey there, I'm Mark and I'm here to talk to you about doing your own DIY fiberglass pool. We put this in this summer. I tried to watch the videos online. Most of them did not tell me what to do. A lot of things came up over this project. I'm going to share with you what worked, what didn't work, problems I had. Hope you enjoy the series. We're going to cover everything from plumbing to electric to excavation, you name it, landscaping, whole 9 yards. Let me know what you think of the video. Talk to you soon. Okay, so here's all the stuff they don't tell you about doing your own pool. See the white marks here? These outside ones are the fence. And then the inside marks here are for the outside edge of the hole. It's going to be a foot bigger all around than the pool. We got blessed with this view. So I'm actually having the fence installed, and it's going to go down this hill here a ways so that it's not blocking our view while we're in the pool.